Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you will learn how we can add a team member or a user into a sub account, because most of the time we have a team member who want access to specific sub accounts. Instead of giving them the high level or the agency level account access, you can give them a specific sub accounts access, so they will be only visible to them. And also you have a sub account of a client, and client asks you to add their team members or their colleagues into the sub account as a user. So how you can do it? So in this video I will show you step by step everything how you can do it. So let's jump into the video, and before starting, please consider subscribing to the channel and like this video. So what we need to do here, we have a sub account created here, SMF Realtors, and we need to go into settings to add the user. So this is for the user level, where you are adding the client's staff or any low level user into the account. Here you can also create an admin user for the sub account only. How you can do it? By clicking on the add user and filling up all the information here. So let me quickly fill these up. So by filling the information here, you need to, the few fields are required: name and email. Once you do that, you can easily create the user and the password. If you want, you can just create the user and it will send the link to the user to generate a password at the time of login. Or you can set up a custom password directly from here, and then you can provide the name, provide the login with the email address and the password directly to the user, so they can log in directly into their sub account. And the link they need to use is your actual link of the agency link, which can be a app.xyz.com. In this case, we have app.webmysticcoach.com. So you can use your agency link to log in into their accounts. So let me set this up, and then we'll go to next step. So in this step, rules and permissions, here you can set up, if you're setting up a main, like your client account instead of the employer's account. So it depends on the requirement. If they say that they want a user with is a specific, you can choose a user role here, and you can easily like turn off all the options here which they don't want, like blogs, certificate, communities. You can just simply turn them off. You don't need to do anything. So sometimes there are users like salesperson who don't need to see the automations or blogs or any other functionalities in the account, and they just need to, their account needs to be clean, and they just want to go in the account and have calls and handle the conversation with the client. You can just open those options from here and create the account for them. And if you're creating for the and you're creating for the admin level, for the actual client who wants to see all the options here, you can still do it from here. And if you want to remove any functionalities from their sub account, you can also do it from here, and also from the agency level, which I have explained in my video, that how you can create a sub account for your client or for yourself. In that video, I have explained that how you can do it. So here it is a simple, easy steps. You can just create, and you can just create the user here and select all the roles and permission. And after this, you can set up the calls. If you have a number already assigned, already purchased in the sub account, you can assign that number to the user here, because if you don't assign that number, it will not work on that user. So you need to assign this number. I will create another video about this whole topic, phone number A2P verification, and how you can assign it to a specific user, so it will ring to their CRM and into their lead connector app. So here you can just leave it as it is, and if you want, you can just assign the number here by clicking a drop down, and it will show the number here if you already have purchased it. In the availabilities, you can set this up. Otherwise, the person who you're signing up, the user, they can go into their account and they can set up everything here. So you don't, if you want, you can set up everything here. If it is a requirement from your client and you already have the information, you can do it here. Otherwise, you don't need to do anything. Just put in the user info and set up the roles, and you're good to go. And there's one more really interesting feature in the user section here, that you can copy the permission directly into the user. So if you already have created one user with everything set up, you don't have to do it everything again. You just come here, copy the permission from that user, and just apply. It will apply all the settings here. So it's really easy, because this is a new account, we haven't created any user here, so it's not showing us any permissions created. So this is a simple step, and let me log out from this account and log in as a user and show you how it works. So this, okay, so this is the user login, and I am going to log in through the user I have created, and then we just need to verify the account by using the code they have sent. So we have verified the account, and then this is the first time process. I guess they ask every time you log in. So once you're logged in with your user, the user you have created, they can easily go into their account from here or the settings, and they can set up their profile by going into my profile and adding all the information which we have left in the first step, and they can fill up all the information here. Sometimes it takes time to reload, and now you can see everything here. As a user, you can add your Gmail, Outlook, and everything here as a user, and it will connect with your calendar. So whenever someone books a call or anything with you, it will directly connect with your Gmail, Outlook, or Zoom, or any other integration you have done here. So I hope this video helps you to understand how you can create a user for your client or for yourself in a sub account. In the next video, I will teach you how you can add a team member in an agency level. So that guy will have access to specific sub accounts. If you want to add a team member who can only see the sub account which you want, not all the sub accounts in your agency level, I will show you how you can do that. Till then, take care and subscribe to the channel.